Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
107.1 News FM Olongapo.
This one goes out to the one I love. Music coming from REM from 1987. All right, 8:49 is the time right now. Time check brought to you by SBCI, Subic Bay Colleges Inc. Enroll anytime, start anytime at the, they are located at numbers 2 and 3. 18th Street, West Bacbac, Olongapo City. Okay, nasa dulo lang po ng Blue Jeepney Terminal, ha? Ang SBCI, Subic Bay College. At Subic Bay College. Yeah. Okay, welcome back. Final stretch of this radio show. Final set of announcements for you guys. Mga pagpapaalala, okay? Mga reminders. Scheduled power interruption from OEDC, of course, Olongapo Electricity Distribution Corporation. This coming Thursday, February 5, okay, 2026, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. 7 hours ito, no? Pero hindi naman lahat, hindi buong ano. Ang affected areas will be portions of Barangay East Bacbac, East 24th Street, portion of Ilocano Street, portion of Canda Street, and portion of Arduin Street. Yan. Arduin. Yan yung pag tinatanong ka, kamusta ka? Arduin. I'm doing okay. So yan po yung mga apektado, ha? Okay. And this is daw, sabi nung OEDC, to facilitate the upgrading of distribution transformers from 1 to 25 kVA to 1 to 75 kVA for the transfer of primary lines to newly erected primary poles. Okay. Whatever. February 5 yun. February 6 naman, Friday, meron din, ha? Yan, meron din. Okay? Ang scheduled power interruption, Friday, February 6, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., 7 hours, to facilitate the stringing of the new feeder line. Ayan, ito yung mga maapektuhan. Portion of Barangay Santa Rita, Manggahan Street, Manggahan Extension, Avocado Street, Avocado Extension, Santolan Street, Santolan Extension, Chico Street, Mabolo Street. Yan, yung mga fruity streets dyan. Ang affected areas, no? Yan, okay? Yan. If you wanna check it out, visit the Facebook page of OADC in case na gusto niyo balikan tong announcement na to, no? Naka-post din sa Olongapo City Information Center. Yan. Salamat. Thank you sa Olongapo Information Center. Okay? And once again, we would like to invite you then to apply yung mga naghahanap ng trabaho. Eto, madali ang hiring to. Paspasa na. Start agad. Di ba? Sabi nila, urgent daw eh. Talagang urgent, no? Yan, okay? Yung job openings for production operators. Yan. Production operators are hiring at least high school graduate, no? Or K-12 graduate. Pwede na. 'Di ba? Sabi sa inyo eh, hindi maselan eh, no? Ibig sabihin pag nag-apply ka, naku, baka start ka na kaagad. Kaya magbaon ka na. Yan. Also dismantlers, production workers, experienced sewers, mananahi, no? Okay? Yan yung mga job openings. Meron pa mga open positions. Ito pa, production manager, senior engineer, engineering, pero yung mga ganyang position, manager, engineer, syempre may qualifications 'yan, no? Yung ibang application, yung ibang position yung sinasabi ko kanina, no, na hindi maselan, kahit high school graduate lang pwede. Yung iba nga undergraduate pa eh. Basta nangangailangan ng trabaho. Basta mabuting tao, syempre. Mahirap naman mag-hire ka ng hindi mo alam, tinanggap mo, masamang tao pala. Ito pa, yung hiring pa nila. Production manager, senior engineer, engineering manager, production supervisor, production technology engineers, quality engineer, QC inspectors, production leaders, purchasing, programmer, IE technician. Yun, okay? So, check it out. Those are the hirings. And ano pa ba? Meron pa eh. Baka may namiss ako. Teka, kailangan basahin natin lahat. Ito pa, logistics officer. Kailangan din. Apply now. Kailangan na. Logistics officer. Alright? Sa FutureLink Incorporated po ito, no? Punta lang kayo sa Unit 1, Building 1, Sunny East Complex, Lot 18 to 20, Manila Avenue, Central Business District Area, Subic Bay Freeport Zone, Subic, Philippines. Ayan. 0985-764-7701 for increase. Or visit the Facebook page. Makikita nyo nandun, ano? Ang maganda sa Facebook page, merong QR code dito na i-click mo lang or i-scan mo. Pag in-scan mo, it will get you to a form, parang document, kung saan pipilapan mo na, no? Application form mo na yon, iho. Apply na agad yon. So, puntahan mo yung Facebook page. Future Link Incorporated. Maraming trabaho. Marami talaga, promise. Okay? Pati na rin dun sa, sa SBMA Labor Department Facebook page. Naku, ang dami rin. Pero bukas na natin basahin kasi we're running out of time. Yun pa, binabasa ko lang yung latest lang ha. Pag kinalkal ko pa yung mga nakaraang announcement na good pa up to now dahil may mahaba pang deadline, aabutin tayo ng 2028. Okay, so there you have it, the job announcements at Future Link. Unit 1, Building 1, Sunny East. Oh, mahaba, mahirap tandaan. Ano na lang, ganito na lang. Pasok. SBMA, Rizal Gate. Hindi main gate ha, Rizal Gate. Di ba? Diretso, di ba? Diretso. May intersection, di ba? Crossing. Diretso pa rin, no? Lagpasan mo yung intersection, di ba? Sa bandang kanan, may Uncle John's, no? Uncle John's. Yan, okay? Tapos, paglagpas mo ng Uncle John's, Pag-ibig, pare. May matatagpuan kang Pag-ibig. Yung Pag-ibig office, nandoon, di ba? Ayun, kaharap ng Pag-ibig office. Niname ko lang yung mga establishment dahil para landmark kasi yun para madaling hanapin, no? So, harap ng Pag-ibig Fund Office, tawid ka, nandoon yung Sunny East Complex building, no? Okay? So, ganun lang kadali hanapin. Ayan! Alright. So, those are the announcements for you. Ito pa, meron pa. Lastly,